Hi YouTubers, this is the Aussie Super Treasure Hunter here, and today we got something special. We got the American D case. So normally we get the international case code. Unfortunately the international case code D case is not available yet, so I just dived right in and grabbed the D case, US card. So we're going to crack the case and see what's inside. Fingers crossed we get a super. Fingers crossed, here we go. Okay, first three cards off the top. We've got, oh yes, yes! I've got the freaking Super Treasure Hunt. That is the Super Treasure Hunt. 2015 Ford Mustang GT. It's car number 4 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. I got the Super Treasure Hunt, man. That's so excellent. Alright, cool. What a good start to the set. Okay, the second car in the box, I'm so excited, the Super Treasure Hunt, man, is car number 8 out of 10 in the Muscle Mania series. There's two of them. It's the 18 Camaro SS. Now this is the difference between the international and US carded cars. All new models have the new stamp on the card, and they also have the 50th Hot Wheels anniversary logo. So keep your eyes out for any US carded cars you see in the stores. Cards are a bit bunged up, but you know what, I've got a super, who cares? That's Hot Wheels Screen Time, car number 1 of 10, the O&I Warthog. Man, this case is a bit bodged up. Okay, car number 1 of 5 in the Turn series is the Lamborghini Countach. Next car is car number 6 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Sports series, the Chevy Blazer 4x4. We got the super. Okay, there's another Lamborghini Countach, car number 1 of 5 in the Turn series. And we've got, wow, this is nice, car number 3 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Screen Time, the Aston Martin 1963 DBS. Next car in the case is a HW450F, part of the Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 3 of 5. I'm getting sick of seeing them. Same with this one, car number 2 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Daredevils is a Fiat 500. We'll get rid of that one too. Next car in the case is car number 1 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Sports Tour de Fast. Not real happy about the cards in this case. The cards are a bit banged up. Okay, next car in the case is car number 9 of 10 in the Super Chrome series, Power Rocket. Next car in the case is car number 3 of 10 in the Then and Now series, the 55 Corvette. Some of these are repeats, actually a fair few of these are repeats out of the C case. Car number 4 of 10 in the Experimotors series is the Pink Gotta Go. It's another carryover. This is another carryover. Car number 4 of 10 in the Super Chrome series, Flash Drive. Next car in the case is a new car. Car number 2 of 5 in the Fast Foodie series, Quick Bite. Next we have car number 8 of 10, Hot Wheels Screen Times, the Ice Charger. Next car in the case is another bloody Daredevils. Car number 1 of 10, the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Another one in the Daredevils in the case. Car number 5 of 5, the Rally Cat. Next car in the case, new for D case, is car number 1 of 10 in the Experimenters series, the Embosser. Nice car. Next car in the case, again new for the D case. Car number 3 of 6 in the holiday races, the Monster Dairy Delivery. That's the New Year car. Next we have two factory fresh, car number 9 of 10, the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. I'm not sure if that's a new car, but it is new to 2018 anyway. Last year they did the non-convertible variation of that car. But that's okay, that's cool as a convertible. We have another then and now, or a then and now, car number 5 of 10, the Volkswagen Golf MK2. Next we have Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 3 of 10, the Fair Lady 2000. Next we have car number 5 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Fun Park series, Bazoom car. They're both carryovers from the C case. Next we have car number 3 of 5, the Fast Foodie series, Roller Toaster. Another carryover from the C case. Two more carriers over from the C case. Car number 3 of 10 in the Muscle Mania series, the 15 Dodge Charger SRT. Next we have, we get the Treasure Hunt too. This is the Treasure Hunt for the D case, everybody. This is car number 1 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Moto series, Street Stealth. So all you Treasure Hunt collectors, keep your eye out for that one. I love my treasure hunts. Don't care what everyone says. Okay, car number 2 of 6 in the Holiday Races series. There's a cool car, the Screamliner. Again, it's a carryover from the C case, but we're not going to be too concerned about that. It's a nice casting, that one. Next we have another Daredevils, car number 4 of 5, the Mad Props. I think that's a full set of Daredevils, hopefully there's no more of them. Next we have another carryover from the C case, car number 6 of 10 in the Street Beat series, Vampira. Not a bad casting. Next in the Super Chrome series, car number 7 of 10, Mig Rig. That's new to that case. Okay, that's half the case. The bottom half looks almost as bad as the top half. So here we go, we have, new to this case, car number 7 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Flame series, the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B. That is a really nice car. Really, really nice car. Look out for that one, everyone. Next we have 2 carryovers from the C case. Car number 10 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, the 85 City Turbo 2. Next in the D case we have 2 new castings for the D case. Hot Wheels Fun Park series, car number 2 of 5, the Chill Mill. Next we have in the D case, another carryover from the C case. Car number 3 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Sports series, the MR11. That's just my bird in the background. I guess she wants to be on YouTube too. Don't mind her. Next we have another carryover from the C case, car number 3 of 5 in the Toon series, the C6 Corvette. Another carryover from the C case, car number 8 of 10, the Nightburns Morris Mini. Magnus Walker Morris Mini. That's really nice. They were disappearing quickly. Next we have, I'm so glad to have this. This one here is the regular version of the Super Treasure Hunt that we found in this case. The 2015 Ford Mustang GT, car number 4 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. I will show you a comparison of that car at the end of the video. Next we have, new to the D case, Fast Foodie car number 5 of 5, Buns of Steel, Buns of Waste of Time. buns of peg builders, whatever you want to call the buns. Aha, this one here collectors are going to be looking for. It's Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series, car number 1 of 10, the red Mazda REPU, or Repu. That is a sick casting. That looks heaps better in red. The Mad Mike one was good, but that one's even better. Next we have the Super Treasure Hunt from the C case. It's now a regular in the D case. Car number 2 of 10 in the Nightburn series, the Porsche 934.5. Next we have 2 of another one of the better castings in this D case. Legends of Speed, car number 6 of 10. The 16 Mercedes AMG GT3. Everyone's going to be after that one. That's a sick casting. Next we have another Tour de Fast Hot Wheels Sports Series car number 1 of 10. And we also have another one that the collectors are going to be after. We have 2 Legends of Speed Series car number 4 of 10. 2016 Ford GT Race. That is a really nice casting, and the way that they've done the decals on it is beautiful. Look out for that one, everyone. Next we have another one that everyone's going to be looking for. Then and Now, car number 9 of 10, the custom 15 Ford Mustang. That's the now of the 67 Mustang. I think it was a 67 Mustang. Might have to double check that. Next we have another one new to this D case. Another one everyone's going to be after. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, number 8 of 10. The 17 Jeep Wrangler, another new to 2018 car. And that is really nice. The video just does not do that justice. That is a really nice casting. Next we have another one new to the D case. This is beautiful. Part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 6 of 10. The 69 Dodge Charger 500. Keep your eyes peeled for that one. Okay, another carryover from the C case is the Hot Wheels Glow Wheels series, car number 6 of 10. The Hollowback. Despite what everyone thinks, I like glow wheels. Next we have part of the Super Chrome series, car number 6 of 10, X Steam. No comment. Part of the Hot Wheels Flame series, car number 3 of 10, and the Super Treasure Hunt for the B case, and still carried over into the D case, is the 68 Chevy Nova. I did manage to score a super in that casting. Okay, we've got Fast Foodie Buns of Why Bother, number 5 of 5. That's our Buns of Steel, everybody. Next we have, wow, look at that, everyone. Legends of Speed, car number 7 of 10. The 16 Cadillac ATS VR. That is really nice. Really, really nice. Everyone's going to be after that one. So there's a few nice castings in this case. It's not my favourite case of the year yet. Car number 4 of 5, the carryover from the C case, is the Batman Batmobile. Next we have a Hot Wheels Speed Graphics car number 6 of 10, the 15 Ford F-150. I'd like to see that one done in a super this year. That'd be a nice super to get. Okay, next we have Street Beast car number 8 of 10, the Super Stinger. I actually like that one. Despite it being a really crap car, I really like that car. Just the colours of it, I think, the pink and purple go together so well. Okay, next we have another one that collectors will probably be after. Part of the Hot Wheels Exotics series, car number 3 of 10, the Twin Mill. Alrighty, that's my kids fighting in the background too. I think it's time I finish. This is the last car in the case. The Hot Wheels Hot trucks, car number 6 of 10. The 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. And that is another carryover from the C-Pass. Okay, if I can pull this out. I'm so glad that that is on a mint card and all the other cars are busted up. But you know what? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. And the best thing is, scalpers are not going to be able to pick the difference on that too easily. That is a sick super and a sick casting. Get out there amongst it and go hunting, guys. Alright, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Any comments below? If there's anything you want to see, yeah, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.